iba ang excitement na it's unpredictable. They can score even at the dying seconds. So, hindi mo masasabi kung sinong mananalo until the very end.
Nakatira sa Greater Vancouver ang kababayang si Erlinda Tan. Pero paborito niyang team sa NHL ang Edmonton Oilers. Dumating sa Canada noong 2010, may kinalaman daw ang nasabing team sa kanyang kwento bilang bagong Canadian noon.
Edmonton Oilers is my number one team. Ang dahilan is I built my life in Canada, in Edmonton. So I have a personal connection. I lived there for 6 years. It's like that's where I built my professional life in Canada. I was molded as Canadian. I became a Canadian citizen. And then when I was there, I went to my very first hockey game in Edmonton, and it was a game between the Oilers and Anaheim Ducks. Those were memorable moments, and merong connection sa akin as a Canadian.
Lumalaban ngayon ang Edmonton Oilers sa Dallas Stars sa Western Conference Finals o Round 3 ng Stanley Cup. May isang hockey player na Pinoy ang Dallas Stars na si Jason Robertson. Pero kahit may kapwa Pilipino sa team na kalaban ng Oilers, wala raw itong epekto sa kuponan na sinusuportahan ni Tan.
Honestly, I don't follow Dallas Stars, so hindi talaga ako fan. But thinking about it now, parang what a wonderful way dahil merong Filipino guy na nasa world hockey stage. And it's rare.
Nakaka-relax daw ang panunood ng hockey para kay Tan. Lalo na dahil pagkakataon din ito para makabond at maging mas malapit sa kanyang partner na si Mike Yockmans, isang Canadian galing sa Williams Lake.
I like watching hockey kasi it's at the same time date night for me and my partner Mike. So most of the time, nanonood lang kami sa bahay. Siya ang kitchen person, so he prepares a special dinner when it's hockey time. So that's another part that I like.
Lumaki sa British Columbia si Yockmans, kaya isa sa mga hockey team na sinusundan niya ay ang Vancouver Canucks. Natanggal na sa Stanley Cup playoffs nitong buwan. Pero dahil sa kasaysayan ng NHL, hindi pa nanalo ang Canucks ng kahit isang Stanley Cup at nanalo na ng 5 Stanley Cup Finals ang Edmonton Oilers. Paboritong team na rin daw ng partner ni Tan, ang Oilers.
They lost a lot of players due to injuries, and I think that the Oilers, deserve what they got and have a better chance of making it to the finals if they can get past Dallas Stars. So.
Lumaki sa paglalaro ng hockey sa Canada si Yockmans, habang hindi pa nasusubukan ng kababayan si Tan ang paglalaro ng isa sa pinaka-popular na sport sa Canada. Kaya,
maybe one day I'll ask Mike to take me and just for fun and just to have a feel of the sport.
Let's go Oilers!
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.